bringing step by step. Instead of that, the manner in which in the Lok Sabha they have done, entire nation frightened. Is it called democracy? Is it called democracy, sir? The way manner in which they are trying to do, 10 days prior to the election notification, it is totally illegal, unconstitutional, sir. The development in Telangana, originally the problem have started. Absolutely there is no problem. We respect sentiment is above economics and logic, sir. But unfortunately, we have SRC Act. What for? 1956, linguistic basis. The state was formed and SRC Act was there. The SRC Act very clearly mentioned that at any point of time, any state reorganizations have to have some merit based on the present situation. They have forgotten to write even objectives and purpose for this bill, and they have sent this bill to Assembly, State Assembly as a draft bill, and the bill which they are trying to introduce here is totally different than that. Home Secretary says it is a draft bill, Minister says it is a regular bill, and they announce all political strategies. Okay, we merge with the TRS party. Once this is done, we align with the other YSRCP party on the other side. Is the Constitution have given power to make politics or to do the proper governance, sir? I don't understand. And Sri Krishna Committee was appointed at one point of time by this government and spent about 35 to 40 crores of rupees, and they have not even bothered to go through that report. And that after Sri Krishna Committee report mentioned that Telangana has no backward area. That way, entire country has got so many backward areas. It is not to give Galia. Intention is to make entire house to understand the agony of every Telugu person living in Andhra Pradesh. The manner in which they are trying to introduce this bill, it is not good for either Telangana or for people living in Hyderabad or for Rayalaseema or for Coastal Andhra. It will be known in a very short time. It is totally uneconomical situation. Whether they have not addressed about the water distribution system, they have not addressed about power. In Telangana, there is a huge bore wells, and they need lot of power, and they don't have power. Where from they are going to get? Except for the political benefit, Congress party have not done anything. They have not attempted to at least try to explain people of Andhra Pradesh how to go about, whether it is universities or hospitals or industry. Nothing is addressed. I request every member of this house to understand this undemocratic way. The purpose for which Congress is doing it is purely for the benefit of the ensuing Lok Sabha election. Whatever they do, they put head down and legs up and pray. They are not going to get even single seat. That is a different issue. Their own chief minister have resigned, and they are not able to address those issues, and they are trying to bring this bill at the fag end of their 15th Lok Sabha, which itself is unconstitutional and unconventional. Traditionally, why vote on account we bring? Vote on account we bring as a matter of convention that outgoing government should not take decisions for a long period. Whereas this decision at this point of time is going to have a lot of impact at one part of the state electorate. So that itself is not correct. So every member, I request every member that state of Telangana is welcome. There is no problem at all, but not in this process. They should, Seemandhra, not at the cost of Seemandhra people. Now Seemandhra people are going to be pushed into a lurch. That is not the way, sir. So I request this bill may be referred to standing committee or select committee, and also take a legal opinion, and Attorney General has to come and explain to us. If we are satisfied, we all will happily support. Otherwise, this is an illegal bill. We thoroughly reject this bill as it is. Thank you.